What's up, family? Swing Trader Tone here, day 391 of trading day 391. As you can see, today's gain is $307.15. Total assets are $14,163.85. Today's gain in my options account are $324.50, up 8.46%. Bringing the net account value of the options account above 4,000, up to 4160. Take a deeper look in the options account. As you can see, still the unrealized gain is negative 2,134.07, which means overall I'm down that much in this account. So down 33%. So once I get back this 2134, I'll break even, and then sky's the limit from there. And what am I expecting out of my options account? Man, I'm expecting about an 8x, 8x to 10x overall. So let's just say we get back to break even, which will be around 6,300. Looking to 8x that. Tells you close to 50K. All right. So that's my goal for my options account. Then after that, I'll take half of that, put it over in shares, keep it safe, and go back into leaps with the other half of whatever profit that is, hopefully 25K. What that'll allow me to do is kind of spread it between maybe two to three plays. Maybe I'll just keep it in one play. Maybe I'll keep it in the same you know, same thing as one of my shares and just scale into positions that way. When I get there, I'll have the option and we'll take a look at it. No pun intended. I'll have the option. In my shares account, um, today, UNH. Oh, let me go back to my options account and go through it real quick for you. So trade decimal $100 strike price went up 285 bucks. My $80 strike price is down 400 bucks. I still don't understand the math on that. I understand that $80 strike price, and $80 strike price is closer than 100. So you would think that the $80 strike price would be up as well. No dice. No, I literally, I don't get it. I'll have to probably ask, maybe I'll call into my broker and see why that would be. Pfizer went up $22.50. Beyond had maybe like a last 30-minute rally. Gave me $225 today, and Advanced Auto Parts, which was down pretty much all day, actually gave me back 192 bucks. Still a far cry from the 100 and maybe 40% I was up week and a half ago, maybe just last week, but I'm still in the profit, and I'm still hoping that I don't have to go ahead and close out of this with just a 50% profit, because I know that it has plenty of room to go up, but I also have to pay some bills at the end of the month. So it's going to be kind of tight. It's going to be kind of tight. We'll see what happens. Um, Shares account. UNHG gave me $120 today, while TSLO is down $137.35. So still in the red on both of those positions, but as you already know, shares account, I have my targets, my upper targets. They are going to hit. It's just a matter of when. So it's just time. Just take my time. And I'm not going to be one of those people that once I finally get out of the red and I'm up like 10%, 20%, just get so happy that I just go ahead and close out and take it. Because no, nah, it's going to be about 300% profit on both of these. So I'll wait. When it hits this target, I'll get out and take the profit. All right, let's take a look at the charts real quick. Here on the YouTube page, I try to give you a little bit extra. The TikTok and IG page, both swing traded tone. They don't I don't keep them. I don't do anything over 3 minutes on those. So get a little bit more in depth here. Well, we know we're not playing the SPY for now. If I can get some profits, I will go ahead and get some SPY puts. But right now, everything is accounted for. So what did Tesla do today? Tesla actually went down $8.82, and that's why my TSLL is down, because that is down 67 cents. Um, do I think Tesla's gonna keep dropping? Hmm. Well, obviously I have upper targets for Tesla to hit. Right now it's just retracing a little bit. But as you can see at the end of the day, the last 4 hour candle, started going back up. So I'm thinking that that's just a natural pullback. I'll take a look at the hour chart real quick. Yeah, kind of a natural pullback. Right, right to the 618, man, right into our golden zone. And then from there, starting to bounce back up. Looking for the 10 EMA to kind of cross the 20, and then the 20 to cross the 50. See, they're kind of all close together, which is a bullish sign for me. I might even gap up above it. Maybe even tomorrow. See, it's tapped the EMAs a couple times, one, two, three, 4 times. Hmm. Maybe a gap up tomorrow. And if not, maybe on Monday over the weekend, maybe it'll gap up and then start going towards our target, which would be to close this gap up here for sure. We'll get above those sellers and then don't have it. I've, kind of delete, but I do have my target up here at 556. If you know, you know. If you know why, you know why. UNH. UNH is up $2.46 today. So my UNHG up 20 cents, and that's why UNH was in the green today. We are definitely bullish on the hour chart and close to being bullish on the 4 hour. We're still bearish, but looking for that 10 EMA to cross the 20 here as well. While 50 is coming down, so at some point that'll go up and start hitting its targets and looking to close the gap. Looking to close a couple of gaps on this one. This might take a little bit longer. It's going to have to fight through some resistance, but big, big targets here on UNH, which is why I think it's going to triple. Where would I take my profit at? Probably right at the 450 mark, because I do not think that it's going to be able to fight all the way up through here. I think it'll hit the 450, bounce off of that resistance, and then come on down. So most likely we'll take my profit. I'll leave some shares in there, leave it. I don't have any options, so I'll leave some shares in there, see if it runs up, but I'll take out the bulk and take the profit once it gets up to that point. Pfizer is up 1 cent. So what did it do on the option side being up 1 cent? Let's take a quick look. I think it was in the green. Gave me $22.50 by being up 1 penny. I'll take it. Take a look at the charts. Once again, I mean, Pfizer's another one of those that expected some big gains out of. I believe I have 15 contracts. Yep, 15 contracts of Pfizer. I will be leaving that no matter what. If I do have to close out of my AAP to take care of some things, I'll leave my Pfizer. I would rather leave the AAP, to be honest, but this is about the amount that I need right here. So we'll see what happens. Beyond, see what happened in the last little bit on Beyond, because we did go up just 2 cents, but those 2 cents give me a little bit of bread. So we look here, we are bullish. Yeah, we are bullish on a 4 hour chart. It looks like it's going to keep pushing. I'm going to be looking for that 20 to cross the 20 EMA to cross the 50 EMA and really give it a nice strong push up, and should see some nice numbers. Possibly continuing tomorrow since we did close above some support. It may retrace, it may give us a retest of some support, or it may keep going. Either way, looking for it to at least close this little bit of a gap. Cheap, really, really cheap stock, but low float. And ultimately looking for it to get up to about $7 here. Options wise, that'd be huge, huge for me. I really should have got shares in that. just to play it super safe. But I gave myself, a year and a half. So I have plenty of time on that. AAP, um, once again, AAP is supposed to be my superstar as well. And that is actually still bearish on the 4 hour chart. Let's take a look at the hour chart real quick. See, it has been going up on the hour chart. I'll draw my little speed line. Keep an eye on it. So the last hour it did turn bullish, but it'll probably just come back down to this 200 EMA. Should be a nice little support, and then continue up to the 50 EMA. All right, so we'll see what happens with that one. Other than that, I'm gonna let you guys go. As always, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them. I'll hit you back. But once again, today's gain, $307.15 to the up. Total assets, 14,163.85. I'll let you know what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. What's tomorrow? The 27th. All right. Keep you posted, let you know what happens. One love.